given this equation, initial equation, 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 12 in bracket 3 raised to the power x plus 27 equals to 0, to find the value of x. So what we need to do is to equate this 3 raised to the power x to any unknown variable. So let's take it as, before we get to that point, let's do something here. 3 raised to the power x is the same thing, raised to the power 2 is the same thing as this. It's the same thing as this. So here minus, just bring down 3 raised to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. So from here, let's 3 raised to the power x, let's 3 raised to the power x equal to, let's use b equals to b. So we are putting b in the place of 3 raised to the power x. So we have b raised to the power 2 minus 12b plus 27 equal to 0. Plus 27 equal to 0. Now, at this point, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So this multiply this, the first term multiply the last term, so we have 27, that's going to plus 27 b square, and the middle term is minus 12b. So we look for two things that when multiplied we have 27b square, when added we have 12 minus 12b square. So what do you think could be those two numbers or values? So if you look at this, 9 times 3 will give us 27. 9 times 3 can give us 27. So I can say minus 3b times minus 9b. Why am I taking minus? Because I know that minus times minus will give me plus. You understand? Then 3 times 9 will give me 27. B times b. That's why I took minus 3b and minus 9. So at this point, minus 3b plus minus 9b, minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. You understand? So that means these are the values that can be used here. So we are taking them in place of what? Minus 12b. So we have minus 3b minus 9b, then plus 27 equals to 0. So let's factorize. So we have b common here, we have b left, and here minus 9 common here, we have b minus what? 3. I hope you understand here. B is common, so bring it down, and then when you take b here, we have b left. Take b from 3b, we have 3 left. Here 9 is common, 9, and here 9 is here. So take 9 away, we have b left, and then take it here. Remember, minus and minus will give us plus here, so you cannot bring down this. So we now take the first here, as a factor, and here take one of the two. So at this point, you can see this is minus 9, that's minus 3. Therefore, b equals to what? 3 and what? 9. Because 3 going there, b equals to 3 and 9. So at this point, recall that 3 raised to the power x equals to what? b. So when b equals 3, therefore 3 raised to the power x is equals to 3. And this is the same thing as saying 3 raised to the power 1. So the power here is x, the power here is here, therefore x is equals to what? 1 at this point. So when b equals to 9, so 3 raised to the power x equals to 9. From here, 3 raised to the power x, remember 9 is something as saying 3 raised to the power 2. So from here, x is equals to what? 2. So the values of x are 1 and 2. I think I should drop something for you. Exercise. Should drop something for you. You can work this one out. 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 plus 26 3 raised to the power x minus 9 equal to 0. So solve these and drop your answer at the comment section. Please follow us, click on the bell so that you will have all the notification as soon as a new tutorial video drops. Share it with your friends and families to follow. Thank you very much. Bye.